Hi everyone, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Sanibel 3102. This is the smallest Sanibel they've ever built. It's only 36 feet long and it's got all of the luxury you can imagine. It's got high gel coat exterior, 6-point electric leveling. It has the automatic awning on both the slide out and also on the side of the coach. It has a humongous storage area here on the outside with stable steps to get in and out of the trailer and a ladder on the back as well. Let's go inside and have a look. So you can see as soon as we enter the trailer, you've got this great kitchen. Solid surface countertops, stainless steel undermount sinks, pull-out sprayer faucet. You've got this large 4-door fridge as well as a large pantry in there too, where you can get all of your food storage in there. You've got a really nice island area here where you've got plugs on both sides, lots of drawers and cabinets for storage. Then you've got the Furrion Chef Collection oven and stove top along with more counter space, a nice metallic backsplash, and then a very, very large microwave as well. Cabinets all the way around, and then beside that you have your entertainment area where you have a fireplace with some beautiful lighting underneath, surround sound bar. You have this 50-inch television which is on a televator, so you can actually push the button, and if you put it down you will see there's a window behind there which is quite large for bright space. Then you have this full-size residential sofa in the back with a full pull-out bed, surrounding it with windows with beautiful pull shades and then cabinets all the way above. Across from the TV and fireplace is the dual loungers with a place to store your remotes, chargers, and they're very, very comfortable and they do recline. Large, humongous windows again, and then lots of space around the dinette. So here you can see inside, this is a beautifully spaced out bedroom with a king size bed, windows all around the head of the bed, so very, very bright. And then you've got a large closet which has more dresser drawers and cabinet space inside and hanging storage, and then another armoire closet beside that that does have more storage space and a space to put a washer and dryer. You've got some dresser drawers on the side, and it does come equipped with dual air, both quiet cool systems in the coach as well. And then you can see here in the washroom area, you've got the large glass, triple glass door shower with the beautiful shower surround and a seat in there. You've got a large vanity, medicine cabinet, linen closet, and lots of room in that washroom. I don't know what else you need. This is luxury, folks. This is the smallest Sanibel. People have been asking for it for a long time. 36 feet. This is the brand new 2020 Sanibel 3102, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.